Hey friends, do you have hard water that leaves a stain in your sink? Well, pumice stone for the rescue. So yeah, when I say pumice stone, I mean pumice stone that, like the type that you use to rub off those hard calluses on your feet. This one is specifically more made for cleaning. It's shaped, well, it's still in the same shape as a pumice stone, but it's specifically more for cleaning. You would find it in the cleaning aisle of Home Depot. And it's called a scouring stick. Scouring stick. Say that 5 times fast. So the key with this is you must keep it wet at all times so you do not scratch the enamel. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill that up with some warm water. It doesn't have to be warm. I just like warm. I'm going to get it as high as possible. And scrub. Actually, I'm going to just switch hands real quick. And scrub. As you can see, coming off easy peasy, lemon squeezy. See that? You can actually even see the little particles of the stone in the water. See that? That's the actual stone coming off. And see how it's wearing down? So keep it nice and wet. And it's great. It's great on hard water. It's great on grease. Great inside toilets. Like I see, that's going to be hard right around there. Right around where that little lip. See that? Let's try to see how it's wearing down. And then nice. Dump that out so you can just see all that left over from the stick. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? So there's still a little bit around here that I want to work on. But that's how you do it. Look at that. It's like a whole brand new sink. No scratches. None. See that? That's why you gotta keep it nice and wet. Ta-da! Crunchy Clean by Kathy. Peace.